Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up ClickBank affiliate earnings using ClickBank Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your ClickBank affiliate earnings using ClickBank Analytics, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once you're logged in, now click on the Analytics option to access the reporting features. You will see a variety of analytical tools available for your use. Select the appropriate report that corresponds to your needs, such as the sales report or commissions report. Adjust the date range for the data you want to back up by using the date filters provided. Click the Generate Report button to compile your earnings over the selected period. Review the generated report carefully to ensure all relevant data is included. To download your report, look for the download icon, typically located at the top right of the report window. Choose your preferred format, usually CSV or Excel. Click on the download option to save the report to your device. Open the downloaded file to verify that all earnings and corresponding details are accurate. Once confirmed, create a backup by saving it in a secure location, such as a dedicated folder on your device or cloud storage. Consider naming the file with the date range and report type for easy identification later. Repeat this process periodically to ensure you maintain up-to-date backups of your affiliate earnings. By regularly backing up your ClickBank earnings, you can track your performance and analyze trends over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.